Carolina Cosme.
Lucía Ayo.
Verónica Sai.
Alejandra Martín.
And we are from San Patricio School.
How are you? How is your quarantine?
Today we are going to talk about
What have we learned during quarantine?
During this quarantine, I've learned to do a lot of things, but the most importantly is that we need to learn to do house chores to keep the house clean. We have to do this because the babysitter can't come because we need to be in our house. We also help our family, and while we help them with the chores, they can do other important house things. And so after that, we can enjoy spending time with them.
This long period of time, I've learned a lot of things, but most importantly, I've learned a lot about cooking. Mostly, I did sweet things. I did cookies, cakes, and cake pops, and time to eat. Eating time!
every day at 8 o'clock. We clap to all of the doctors for their effort. I feel very proud of our country for being so grateful to all of these people that are looking after every single one of us in this situation. We have also met lots of other people in our neighborhood that we didn't know before, and that is a good thing that we will always remember.
In this quarantine, we had time to see a lot of movies and series with our families, and it's a very good time to read.
We hope you are all safe at your homes.
Remember, it's very important to stay at your house.
If you're bored, you could do some of the things that we talked in the video.
Have a nice day!